precisely level a tapered direct burial fiberglass pole, several methods beyond just eyeballing it can be employed. These methods range from high-tech tools to do-it-yourself techniques and specialized alignment devices. Firstly, consider using a digital spirit level. This tool features an electronic sensor that provides a precise digital reading of the angle of inclination. To use it, simply place the level on the pole and adjust the pole until the reading displays 0. Secondly, consider using a laser level. This tool projects a horizontal or vertical laser line. To use it, set up the laser level parallel to the desired plane of the pole and adjust the pole until the laser beam intercepts the center of the pole. Thirdly, an optical level can be employed. This tool utilizes a telescope with a built-in level to determine horizontal or vertical alignment. To use it, set up the optical level to known elevation and sight through the telescope to the pole. Mark the elevation on the pole and adjust the pole accordingly. Alternatively, several do-it-yourself methods can be utilized. One such method involves a string line and a plumb bob. Stretch a string line parallel to the desired plane of the pole. Then suspend a plumb bob from the string and adjust the pole until the string intersects the center of the pole at both ends. Another do-it-yourself method involves a water bottle. Fill a clear water bottle with water and place it on the pole. The water level in the bottle will naturally be parallel to the ground. Adjust the pole until the water surface appears level. Also, a chalk line can be used. Snap a chalk line parallel to the desired plane of the pole. Then hold the pole against the line and adjust the pole until the chalk line touches the center of the pole at both ends. Finally, several alignment devices can be employed. Some direct burial fiberglass poles come equipped with adjustable mounting brackets that allow for precise alignment. For these, it's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper usage of the brackets. Alternatively, a flagpole anchor with a level indicator can be installed. Slide the pole into the anchor and adjust the pole until the level indicator displays a 0 reading, signifying it is level. These methods offer various approaches to ensure your tapered direct burial fiberglass pole is perfectly level, accommodating different tools, skill levels, and installation requirements. Using precision leveling tools can greatly improve the accuracy of leveling fiberglass poles. An electronic sensor provides a precise digital reading of the angle of inclination on a digital spirit level. A laser level projects a horizontal or vertical laser line for alignment. An optical level uses a telescope with a built-in level to determine horizontal or vertical alignment. For do-it-yourself methods, a string line and plumb bob can be used to adjust the pole until the string intersects the center of the pole at both ends. A water bottle filled with water can be used to adjust the pole until the water surface is level. A chalk line can be snapped parallel to the desired plane of the pole. When it touches the center of the pole at both ends, the pole will be aligned. Some direct burial fiberglass poles come with adjustable mounting brackets. Flagpole anchors can be installed with a level indicator.